The dramatic standoff in the Senate involving the NBI's attempt to arrest Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa draw intense backlash from supporters and allies. The lawyer of former President Rodrigo Duterte immediately condemned the move, calling it a violation of the country's sovereignty and due process of law. Jane Cudnita reports.
In an exclusive interview, Attorney Martin Delgra, legal counsel of former President Duterte, stressed that any foreign warrant of arrest has no force and cannot be directly implemented within Philippine jurisdiction. According to Delgra, the National Bureau of Investigation's attempted arrest of Senator Bato de la Rosa is a major insult to the Philippine judiciary. It can be recalled that the senator served as the former president's chief enforcer in implementing Oplan Tokhang, the Duterte administration's war on drugs campaign. Because of this, the ICC considers him among the co-perpetrators in the case of crimes against humanity. But the lawyer explained that as a sovereign nation, the Philippines has its own laws and courts that must be followed.
A foreign warrant cannot be implemented absolutely within Philippine jurisdiction. Dadaan sa korte ng Pilipinas yan. Ang sanang gawin ng NBI, kung meron man silang natanggap na foreign warrant, marami namang abogado sa NBI, idulog nila sa appropriate Philippine court. At yung judge will determine may sapat bang dahilan na mag-issue ng warrant. At kung may sapat man, then the Philippine court will issue the warrant. And it is that Philippine issued warrant of arrest that will be implemented within the Philippines. Hindi po yung foreign warrant.
Delgra also questioned the credibility of the warrant released by Antonio Trillanes. He insisted that before it can be enforced, it must first be authenticated by the ICC, especially since the institution has long stated that it has not issued any order against De La Rosa. Delgra added that since March 2019, the Philippines is no longer a member of the ICC, so the government is no longer obligated to cooperate with the foreign court. The lawyer stressed that what happened to former President Duterte, who was taken from his own country on March 11, 2025, should not happen again to any Filipino.
Insulto po yan sa ating lahat na Pilipino at insulto sa ating judikatura to our judicial system that a foreign warrant would have to be implemented here within Philippine jurisdiction na hindi dadaan sa ating judicial system. I call for sobriety, I call for reason, I call for the basic application of the law.
The lawyer also called on Justice Secretary Eric Vida to instruct the NBI director to follow proper legal procedures to prevent the standoff between the executive and legislative branches from escalating. For now, all eyes are on the decision of the Supreme Court, where a petition for a temporary restraining order against the said warrant has been filed. This has been Jane Cudnita, your citizen correspondent, reporting for Newsline World.